Hey everybody, and welcome back to the SJOLIE YouTube channel. Today we're going to be breaking down the FUJI STUDIOTAN Premier Starter Kit. Starting off with this turbine, it can handle about 20 tans a day, so it's great for mobile use or in studio. Next, moving on to the applicator, you're going to get this stainless steel TAN7350 gun by Fuji, and this is a great option for beginners or experienced spray tan artists. Then moving on to the solution that comes in this kit, you're going to get a 32-ounce size of our original number 9, Luxe number 12, and original Rapid. You will also get a 32-ounce size of our training solution. This is a great tool for you to practice with. It's just cosmetic bronzers, so it will all rinse off when the client steps into the shower. Then moving on to prep products, you will get our pH balancer and our barrier cream. These are essentials to prepping the skin before going in with solution. You will also get the DHA Booster in this starter kit, and this is a great tool to boost the DHA percentage in your solutions. You will also get a hose in this starter kit as well, and all of our hoses are going to be quick connect release, so it's easy to attach to your turbine and then to your gun. If you have any questions regarding the FUJI STUDIOTAN Premier Starter Kit, feel free to reach out to our customer service team and we'll be happy to help you.